Hey, have you guys been using any AI tools at work lately? I feel like AI is evolving so fast. Sometimes I can't keep up.
Yeah, I've been using AI for data analysis. For example, I use ChatGPT to quickly create reports from raw data. All I need to do is input the data, and it analyzes it and gives me useful conclusions. It's a huge time saver.
Same here. I find AI really convenient too, but I use it more for content creation. Recently, I've been using AI to write blogs and even create videos. There are tools that turn text into videos with automated voiceovers. It's pretty impressive.
That sounds cool. But Alice, when you use AI for data analysis, do you face any challenges? I've tried it a few times, but it doesn't always fully understand the context.
Yeah, it's not perfect. AI works best when you give it clear and specific data. Sometimes I have to rephrase my questions or give more detailed instructions for it to get things right. But overall, it's been a great help compared to doing everything manually.
Same with me. Creating videos with AI is super fast, but sometimes the voiceovers sound a bit robotic, so I have to tweak them. Still, it's great for getting things done quickly, and I can adjust the results right away.
It's interesting how everyone uses AI in different ways. I'm thinking about using it to improve project management, like scheduling meetings or sending automated reminders. I'm still exploring it, though.
I think AI can be a great help with that. The key is knowing which tasks are suitable for AI and which ones need human involvement. We shouldn't rely on it too much, because ultimately, we're still the ones making the big decisions.
Exactly. You should give it a try, but make sure to combine AI with traditional methods for the best results. AI is just a tool. It can't replace everything.
Besides the benefits, I think we should also consider the potential downsides of using AI. It offers a lot, but there are risks too. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I agree. AI clearly boosts productivity. Like in my case, data analysis takes a lot of time manually, but with AI, it's way faster. Plus, it can handle complex data that humans might struggle to process accurately. Thanks to AI, I can focus more on making strategic decisions.
Exactly. In content creation, AI reduces repetitive tasks. For example, instead of spending hours editing videos, I can use AI to quickly cut and stitch footage, then just fine-tune the important parts.
But I'm worried about over-relying on AI. In fields like content creation, if we let AI do everything, won't we lose personal style and creativity? AI speeds things up, but could it lower quality or originality?
I've thought about that too. If we depend too much on AI, we could lose the creativity we're known for. The content I generate with AI sometimes lacks real emotion. It feels formulaic and lacks depth. That's why I see AI as a tool, but I still take charge of the final touch.
There's also the issue of security. AI collects a lot of data, and if we're not careful, sensitive information could get exposed. Not to mention, AI can be misused to spread misinformation or create chaos. Take deepfakes, for instance. Fake videos of celebrities or politicians can have serious consequences if left unchecked.
Exactly. And AI could potentially replace many traditional jobs, leading to unemployment for people who can't adapt quickly enough. I think that's one of the biggest challenges society will face as AI keeps advancing.
You're right. That's why we need to use AI responsibly without becoming too dependent on it, and make sure there are regulations to control its negative impacts. We should take advantage of what AI can do, but also protect human values and jobs.
Agreed. AI offers a lot of benefits, but like any technology, it comes with risks. The important thing is to strike a balance and make sure we're controlling the tech, not the other way around.